In this video, we will show you how to use HubSpot together with CloudTalk to easily initiate calls and access customer information. Let's get started with describing how outbound calls will be logged as an activity in HubSpot. When logged in your HubSpot account, all phone numbers will be converted into a clickable format, and you can easily initiate calls with a single click. At CloudTalk, we call this the click-to-call feature. During or after the call is finished, you can add different tags according to your needs. Your outbound call was logged as an activity in HubSpot. After clicking the activity detail, you can see all additional information such as the agent's name, call date, duration, and access the recording. The HubSpot integration allows you to see the caller's details before picking up the phone. Let's see how that works in practice. When receiving a call, in our case from John Smith, you can access his HubSpot profile with a single click even before picking up the call. Based on the information stored, like notes, files, and previous tasks, you can provide better and more accurate service. You can learn more about your customer by accessing the most important caller's details with a single click. To categorize your inbound calls and leads, add customized tags during or after the call. All the calls get automatically logged into the customer profile. That includes call date, duration, agent's name, and call recording. Let's continue with showing you how the missed calls and voicemails are logged as activity in HubSpot. When you missed a call from a customer, it will be logged as an activity in the customer profile. When you try to reach out to this customer, you can choose here what the outcome was. Thanks for watching.